dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay.
Focus. Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You asked for it and I am doing it, a brow tutorial. I'm going to be removing one brow for you, teaching you how I get my brows done. I feel like my technique is super easy. I use one product, I don't contour, and sorry guys, you will hear baby sounds because I am a mommy and I have a child in the background. Anyways, let's get this tutorial started. First off, I'm going to start by removing one brow. You ready for this? Anyways, I'm gonna be looking to the side over here. I have my mirror, so I'm gonna try to like zoom in to my personal space where you guys are gonna be so up and close and personal with my face. And I don't know if you feel comfortable with that, but you know what? We're never comfortable with what we do, right? So anyways, let me just get some wipes. Okay. We gotta remove the beauty. Let's get our makeup wipe and just, I think I'm gonna wipe this brow off because it'll be easier for you guys to see. In all honesty, I barely have brows. Guys, it's my life. I know. Anyways, let's dry these brows out so we can get a good seal. It's hard doing it with everything's behind you. Let's dry this so you can see what these babies look like in real life. This is real life. This is what my brows look like. First thing, I have not done my brows in months. I've been letting them grow out. I've been simply plucking away excess that I have there. So people ask me,
oh, do I have to get my brows done to get them in shape and get them defined and to get them drawn in?
No, you don't, honestly. If you just brush them nicely, you can get a good defined brow. So let's get this party started. So this is my face. Without one brow not done and one brow done. So this is how I get my stuff together. First off, you are going to need two brushes. First brush is just a very straight brush like that. Next brush you're going to need is an angled brush, and it doesn't have to be combined with a spoolie, but you need a spoolie so you can brush your... Hi Pookie. So first you're just going to brush your brow as much as possible in the desired shape that you would like it to look like. I've been loving the BH Studio Pro, and this palette here, there are many other shades, so if you're a type of girl that likes to, you know, change it up, change your eyebrow shade, your shape and everything, it comes with gels and it comes with powder, but I just use powder. I don't feel the need to use gel. I'm gonna grab this brush here, the first brush I showed you, the very straight brush.
Sorry guys, I had glued like glitter stuff on it and it looks like poop.
You're just gonna dip it into your brow product like that, and we're just gonna simply, this is hard doing it while I'm talking, line it where you want it to end. I like my brows to come closer in even though they don't. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go right there and lightly line it like that. So that's just giving you the baseline of where you want your brow to end on the front there. So after that, you're just gonna simply go below lightly and just push up. So we're pushing up that product there. Very minimal product on the brush, guys. See, like there's barely anything on it. So that's what the shape I want for the bottom. It's like that and it rounds out like so. Same thing guys, just the powder. I'm going to pull it in to the desired tail that I want, I like to pull it out a little bit like that. So it's close to the end of my eye, like so. Because right now my brows are very rounded, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it that little, you know, tail there up here, little angle, like that. See? And always minimum product on your brush, barely any product. So here, where my hair ends, I'm going to apply that product right there, lightly, so I can have a defined shape. So lightly again, everything is so light, nothing heavy-handed. I'm just going to connect the rest of my brow to that angle there, like that. See? So right now you have an outline of what your brow should look like, what you want your brow to look like. Brows are very personal, so honestly, it's your personal preference on how you want your brows to look. Some people like them boxy, some people like them round, so play around with it, see what works best for you. Some people like it dark, some people like it light, so it is up to you. Honestly, no right or wrongs with brows, no right or wrong with makeup. We're gonna grab our other brush there and grab some product. And we're first gonna start at the end because you want darker ends, not darker fronts. And I'm just patting that product in, like that. Once there's no more product on my brush, then I'll go back in and add some more. So once your product is done, you'll go in again and add some more product. Very light-handed, very feathery, not much. So right now my product is running out of my brush. The rest of the product, I'm going to lightly do a little shape there as to where I want my brow to end. Guys, barely any product. And I'm just going to fill that in. So whatever is left on your brush, you apply. So right now, this edge over there is a little harsh. So what I'm gonna do is just grab that spoolie and just brush it out. Like that. Even though it's a little bit harsh, I just grab my finger and lightly push it up. And there you go. That's honestly, that's my brow tutorial. That is what I do. I don't contour my brows. I don't add gel to my brows. I just use powder on my brows. This is a day use of my brows. This is since, I want to say 10 o'clock in the morning. So powder lasts you the whole day. Just don't go rubbing your face. Just don't go like doing crazy stuff to your face, which is not necessary. When you have makeup on, don't touch your face. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can know when I'm posting my videos. I will try to post regularly. My life has been so busy, but whatever you guys want, I will do for you. I will try my best to do it for you. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm sorry for my daughter in the background. I just, you know, I'm a mom, so I can't just stop that life there. So anyways, if you like this video, share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.